Today, I am going to share with you another episode on reviewing milk. This time, we are going to review two brands. Well, it's actually one brand, but two different types of milk from the Philippines. The brand is called Selecta, and we are going to compare fresh milk and also fortified milk. What are the differences between these two? How do they taste? How does it smell? And I'm also going to have a special guest with me. This is Jassiel Joan. She is 6 years old. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Do you remember me?
You remember her? I don't know. This is probably the first time you're going to see her. She is my lovely niece. Okay, so stay tuned until the end, and I'm going to make a special latte using these two types of milk, and we are going to compare which one is better. Let's take a look at the main differences between fortified milk and fresh milk. They're both cow's milk, except fortified milk is with added nutrients which are not typically found in regular milk. So most of the time it will be vitamin A, vitamin D. This type of milk, fortified milk, is not common where I'm from in Thailand, but in the Philippines and in the US, I think this is more common. So we are going to find out which of these two is better. Can you use them for your latte and also for your milk tea? In terms of calories, according to the packaging of this Selecta fortified milk, it has 140 calories. Is that right?
Yes.
140, and that is fortified. And this one is fresh milk. How many calories are there?
160.
Okay.
See.
Fresh milk, on the other hand, has 160 calories. That means to say fortified milk has less calories, but at what expense? Okay, now let's try the milk on its own. I'm going to pour this milk in a larger glass here. Okay, that is fortified, larger. And then this one is the fresh milk.
What happens if you mix them together?
I cannot mix them together because they're different types of milk.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
And then I'm going to compare the smell. We'll start with the smell. Okay? Smell. Fortified milk, fresh milk. Which one is better? This one. Well, according to Jassiel, fresh milk smells better than fortified milk. Well, I would actually agree with her. Well done. The smell of the fortified milk has that something extra, almost like a sweeter smell, whereas this one is just your regular milk. Okay, now I'm going to give it a taste. Fresh milk.
Review.
Okay, milk. And this is fortified milk. Wow. There is a very clear difference between the taste of these two. The fresh milk gives you that familiar milk taste, but the fortified milk has a little bit of an extra taste in it, almost like a flavor. So it's almost like flavored milk. It's sweeter for sure. What do you think? Right? You want to give it a try?
Yeah.
Okay, and now this is just milk, so should be safe for you. Now, which one do you like better? This one or this one? Okay, this one or this one? Yeah, this one. So, the verdict is, in terms of smell, I prefer the smell of the fresh milk just because it smells of milk. In terms of taste, somehow I still would prefer the taste of the fresh milk. The fortified milk is like a flavored milk. If you're looking for that kind of milk with a little bit of flavor and also a little bit of extra in its smell, then go for the fortified milk. But then in terms of price, again, fortified milk is cheaper than fresh milk. Very, very small difference really. Okay, now let's find out how they fare when we make a latte out of these two types of milk. Okay, now I've made 2 lattes here. One is using the fortified milk and the other is using fresh milk. We are going to try the coffee. Now, you cannot try this coffee.
Yeah.
No?
I'm just a kid.
She's just a kid. So I suppose it just has to be me.
You like it?
Wow, the taste of that coffee is glorious.
Yeah, it is. I wish I could drink coffee.
Well, not yet. There will be time.
Okay.
Okay, now I'll have to give it another try.
Another try. Working on the working chair.
Well, in terms of taste, on the latte, I would say that there is a difference in the taste, for sure. One is almost like flavored fortified milk latte, and the other is just a regular latte. So if you'd like to get some of those like slightly flavored, slightly sweetened latte, then you can use fortified milk. If you'd like to use just plain latte, then use fresh milk. But is it okay for you to use this milk, the fortified milk, in your coffee shops for your lattes, cappuccinos, and all this type of milky drinks? Yes, you can go for the fortified milk. This is really just a matter of preference, flavored versus non-flavored. Say bye.
Bye-bye, and thanks for watching.
Okay, but before that, if you have any questions, do let me know, comment below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button for more of these reviews. In the meantime, stay safe, take care. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.